Welcome to Doc Cholo's vlog. In this clip, I'd like to demonstrate how we stab using a bolo. And I hope you would be able to observe how the stab is done. First, we have a thrust that would be coming from close to the body and extending it to the front. And I hope you can recognize that the blade is not vertically oriented, but rather horizontally. Thrust it from the body straight to the target. But I hope you would also be able to note that there are stabs that are swinging stab, meaning it's a pendulum type, whether it's from below, from the middle, or from above.